Hey me Julsz, welcome back to my channel. I lost my train of thought. What was I gonna say?
You're all Julsz, me new Julsz, me in between Julsz, welcome.
Okay. Hey me Julsz, I'm Storytime, and as you know, over here we have a good time all the time. Welcome to my old Julsz, my new Julsz, me in between Julsz. This will be another video as part of our pregnancy series. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Please share, subscribe, like, comment, and share. I think I said share twice, didn't I? Anywho. So without further ado, let's not make this too long and lengthy. Let's jump straight into the video. So in today's video, I will be, it's a little story time of how I actually found out I was pregnant. Woo! Can we go whoop, 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 whoop? It's going to be such a short story time because honestly speaking, the other videos will explain why this one's so short. So, where do I begin? I can vividly remember it was the 28th of September 2023. I was going to work. It was a Thursday. And I woke up in the morning and I said to myself, well, I didn't say it to myself, but an inner voice said to me, take a pregnancy test. Whether that was the Holy Spirit, whether that was myself, I don't, you know. But I woke up that morning and I had this urge to like just go and test. Because if you're a part of the TTC community, which is trying to conceive community, you're always testing anyway. So it's nothing new. I would literally go on Amazon. I would be ordering the 100 packs of pregnancy tests because if you know, you know, those pregnancy tests can really be expensive, child. Anywho, so I woke up on the 28th of September 2023 and I went to go have a shower. Obviously, I brought along a pregnancy.
That's why.
Mommy, I haven't got there yet, love. I'm doing that in a different video. Stop butting. You know, I can imagine you as a child being butting in. Anywho. So I headed to the bathroom. I grabbed the pregnancy test from my drawer because literally I had a drawer. Well, I had a baby drawer. I was collecting a lot of things for baby before I even got pregnant because in my head I was like, one day, sweet Jesus, one day. So I grabbed the pregnancy test, went to the bathroom. I even had a pregnancy pee cup. Yes, it was that deep. I used to store it in a little hidden place in the cabinet because I was like, I don't want no one to see my pee cup. Anywho, I took out my pee cup. I peed in it because I can't fathom sticking a stick underneath your front and then peeing on that stick, because to me you probably will miss it and then your whole hands will get wet, and then the way I do it, I believe it's more sanitary. Anyways, peed in the cup, dipped the stick, took it out, put the stick on a piece of plastic that it came in, and then proceeded to go have a shower. It says the best time to check a pregnancy test is within the 3-minute window. Obviously, I showered for much longer than 3 minutes. So I showered, came out the shower, began brushing my teeth, and I thought, let me just look at the test. Let's see what's really going on, right? And I kid you not, I saw the biggest, the brightest, most outstanding 2 lines. And I was like, wait a minute there. I said, no, you're playing with me. So I put it down, finished brushing my teeth, and I took it. I was like, wait, I'm pregnant. I was like, no way. Like, I'm pregnant. You know, if you're part of the TTC again, you'll know what that means. Like, because obviously if you get a faint line, it could either become more bold as the time progresses, or a faint line could mean a chemical pregnancy, or a faint line could just mean like the test is faulty or whatever the case is. But this test was so bright and I was like, damn, I'm pregnant. So I came out the shower, I came out the bathroom, took my pregnancy test with me, put it in the baby drawer, because as I said, I've been collecting a lot of stuff. And then I got dressed for work, didn't tell no one, didn't tell hubby, didn't tell mum. I just got dressed for work. There was a big smile on my face. I went to work very chirpy and happy that day. Me and my miracle was travelling on the Elizabeth line, was travelling on the Piccadilly line. Got to work now and I was just beaming with excitement, like, oh my god, okay, I'm pregnant. What to do next? What I need to do next? So that's how I actually found out I was pregnant. The following day, I was at home Friday. I'm not too sure why I think I was on annual leave. I must have been on annual leave that Friday. Their mum came bursting in the room, literally. She came in the room and she looked at me, and she looked on bed and she's like, "What on?" Like, she did this. And I just laughed and rolled my eyes, because one thing with my mum, if you live with a spiritual person, you will know, you can't hide much from them. Their eyes are open in the physical and spiritual, so there was no much hiding it. I was like, yeah, I'm pregnant. And all she did was just smile, you know. She just smiled. And hubby found out on the Sunday. The reason why hubby found out on Sunday is because due to our previous losses, I didn't want to go tell him, and it would end out to be another loss. So I said, oh, I initially wanted to wait until I hit the 6-week mark, but it didn't happen. I found out when I was like 3 weeks and some days, which is quite early to find out you're pregnant. Normally, you don't find out you're pregnant until you actually missed your period. At that point, I hadn't actually missed my period. My period was meant to come in the next 3 or 4 days. So I was really early, to be honest. And for the lines to be that strong child, I was really pregnant. So you know me. Oh, you might not know me, but I'm a little hoarder. So in this bag, I have got the original pregnancy test that I took last year. Unfortunately, because it's been such a long time, the actual line has definitely faded. You can't even see the bright line. I mean, it's definitely there, but it's just not as bold as the other one. So this was the original. I don't know if you can see that. This was the original test, and trust me, on that day it was really bright. So this is the test I took on Thursday. Then the Friday when I was home, I took a clear blue, right? Don't waste your money on the clear blue, guys, because look, it doesn't say anything. The pregnant on it is gone. I took a clear blue, digital, and then I took a clear blue normal. Not too sure if you can see anything on that either, because it's been such a long time. Honestly, the line is kind of hard. Well, you can kind of see a line there. I took a clear blue normal, and then because you know me, I just be testing, right? Because trust me, you'll be in shock. Then I took, these are the best ones. If you're trying to conceive, buy the box from Amazon. I think it's around £23 for 100 or something like that. Because look, it's still there. Look how bold these lines are. I don't know if you can see that. You see how bold those lines are? Those lines are bold, baby. Look at that. So I took these tests on a Friday to show my mum, like, Mom, I'm really pregnant, girl. This is for real. So I have literally kept all these tests in this little bag. And that is how I actually found out I was pregnant. So I didn't do a video recording my initial reaction, because at that point I was not fed up, but I was just like, oh well, they've been negative, so what's the chance of it really being positive? I just took it on a whim. I kind of wish I had recorded it, because it would have been nice, but no. I do have other recordings, but those recordings are the ones that weren't even positive anyway. So yeah, and this book that I've got here is a very interesting book. I'll definitely do a video about this book. This book is my period tracker, my ovulation tracker, and pregnancy tracker. Now, if you're part of the TTC community, it is so important to track your ovulations, your pregnancy. Like, it's no joke. There really is a science behind it. But all in all, it's due to God's grace and mercy why I'm even here and why we're pregnant. But honestly, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can and you will move every single mountain. Now, I'm going to actually do a whole video about how we conceived, what I did differently that time, everything. I'm letting you lot in on absolutely everything, because I want to advocate for Black women regarding fertility. Because when I was going through I could not find a woman that I could relate to in terms of being in the Black community, talking about miscarriages, talking about fertility issues, talking about losses, talking about conceiving. I couldn't really relate to what I was seeing, so I really want this to be a safe space for women to come and speak, talk, and get to know the whole journey of actually trying to conceive. But yeah, thanks Vigil. That is really the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, if you want to see more pregnancy related videos, then please go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe, like, comment and share, and we will see you shortly. Okay, bye Vigils.